Next on the chopping block, the Pina Colada. Everybody loves one. Everyone knows what goes in it, yet no one seems to be able to make me a good one. It's the national drink of Puerto Rico, and for that reason, I have to start with 25 milliliters of Bacardi. Into that, I'm gonna add another 25 mils of coconut rum, and of course, why not Malibu? And just to keep these ratios easy for everybody, another 25 mils of pineapple juice. And last but not least, 25 mils again of cream. Now that's gonna really bind everything together, but I'm just gonna add a touch more sweetness by adding a coconut syrup. And for me, there's none better than Coco Real. 25 mils of this. Thick, beautiful, creamy goodness. It's gonna really complete this drink. Now I'm gonna give it a really good shake together. And give it a quick taste. Perfect pina colada every time. Bit of cubed ice into a stem glass. And once again, single strain. Makes me want to party just looking at it. Now, of course, we're going to finish that off with an umbrella and a couple of short straws. And that is my perfect London Cocktail Club Pina Colada. Enjoy.